Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Truck's warming up. We're gonna go for a walk. But we gotta go for a drive first. What's going on here? Because of all your wiggling. Because of all your wiggling. You make things extra tough because of all your wiggling. I'm not done yet. There you go. Oh. The shoulders are sore, Byla. My shoulders are sore. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Get in. Get over. Get over. Get over. Silly ass. Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Forgot that part earlier. And Byla and I would come up and check out the golf course. Man, it's looking like it's golf season up here. The greens look beautiful. Fairway looks beautiful. Wish I could afford a membership. I'd golf every day. The couple of years that I have had memberships up here, Foxy the Fearless and I used to tee off at like 6 in the morning, like every day. Like 80, 90 rounds plus per golf season. Not in the cards though. Not in the cards. Not this year. Not with all these denture bills and whatnot coming along, coming down the pipe. Look at these greens. And some critter shit out there. So one thing that sucks about our golf course is these shitty sand traps. The sand is not nice. It's not nice sand. Well, we're not going to walk all the fairways, but this is the first one. Hole number 1. Oh, looks like they're working on the ladies' tees. Actually, with the way my shoulders are acting, I don't even know if I am going to be able to golf anymore, really. Probably, just not in spectacular fashion. Not that I ever was a golfer in spectacular fashion, but well, I'll go check out some of the sites here. It's a 9-hole course, this one. Built in 1923. It's one of the oldest 9-hole golf courses in British Columbia. I think when it first started, it was only like a 6-hole course or something with sand. The greens, they weren't green, they were sand back in those days. The course has obviously gone through a bazillion changes since then. It's changed a lot since I moved here. You know, when I was, first time I played this course when I was like 18 years old or whatever, compared to now. It's two completely different golf courses pretty much in a lot of ways, but it's a fun little course, so I love this little golf course. So this first fairway is a par 4. Oh, the critters have been busy. Look at them. I'm glad you're not trying to eat them. Anyways, this first fairway, par 4. Tough. It's the only hole on this course I've never parred. Its distance is a little long for me, and that green is tiny. Never parred this one. Parred every other hole. Had a couple of birdies. Actually had a couple of eagle attempts over the years, but I've never had an eagle in my life. And I mean, the birdies are pretty minimal themselves. I don't know how many I've had in my life, not very many. A couple. 2, I'd say for sure. You get some great views from this golf course, but everything's so socked in right now. Like normally from this tee box up here where we're heading, looking up the valley that way, it's a spectacular view. And even when you're playing down this way to this hole, the view of Mount Loki and stuff up there, spectacular. It's a beautiful little golf course. In my video archives there, somewhere I've got where I've played, pretty sure I've recorded all 9 holes. I'll find it and put a link in the description box. You can see what this golf course looks like when it's not winter. Man, these greens are beautiful. In such nice shape. Not even much critter damage, it doesn't look like. Wonder what the sand's for. Gonna put a berm up here? Maybe. This is, oh, maybe they'll put a tee box up here. That would be awesome. So in the old days, you used to tee off right over there. You had to come through here and play to that hole. But since they've changed it, you don't come through here anymore. They've cut this off. And they've changed this into a par 3 where you tee off from down there. But it would be spectacular if there was a tee box up here. This is the toboggan hill. Not a lot of kids tobogganing on this hill this year. Let's go through the bush, Byla. Decided not to wear my squeaky boots today. See, they got the cart path. Take you right up there. Put a tee box up there. Hey, golf board. Put a tee box on top of the hill. Come on. You're putting tee boxes everywhere else. Put one up there. Even if it's just for the back nine. Come on. I love this hole, but I'm not a big fan of the man-made rock wall they put behind it. I don't know. Just seems a little goofy compared to the rest of the course. Could be worse, but I mean, I wish they had just left it more natural like. Oops. I gotta get some sort of Adam the Woo used to have one. It was a selfie stick, but it was just a short little one. And it would keep the thing up a little higher. I'm gonna have to watch for one of those. Not a huge walk today, Byla, but a little bit of one. Here, let's go up on the deck. This is the clubhouse. This was our restaurant, 2019. You know, in all honesty, we'd probably still be here if COVID hadn't come along. Our one and only water hazard. Right there. Put a few balls in that little pond before. That's new. Let's go take a look at it. Pretty cool. Can't wait to bounce a golf ball off of it. Okay, Byla, let's head home. Let's head home. This way, to the truck. Well, thanks for coming along on today's little journey with me and Byla and I. And I think we'll head home. Actually, we'll stop at the gas station, buy a coffee, and head home and play the daily Fore. I know I can play that one even with these wrecked shoulders. In you go. You can do it. Here, girl. Okay, move over. Move over. Move over. Get in your spot. Over. You gotta move over. You gotta move over. You gotta move over. Jeepers. You know, one day, you're gonna grow to love this truck. You've come a long ways already, though. I gotta give you props. Gotta give you props. Stay over there. I gotta get my seatbelt on. Okay, Violet, come on. You're a turkey. You're a coffee. Mmm. Mmm. Cool. A little bit for later. Let's play some golf. I think it's recording now. I think it is. Okay, let's hit the play button. It is. Woohoo! It's time for the Daily Fore with Byla and Call the Madman. Yeehaw! Where's my yeehaw? Here's my yeehaw. I need my yeehaw. Where's my... There it is. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo-hoo! It's my Friday. It's my Friday. It's my Friday. And I'm gonna hug my dog because she's a good girl. So we're gonna play some golf. Ready to play some golf, Byla? You ready? You ready? I'm ready. I am ready. Haha, timed that one pretty good. Yee. Where are we today? We're at Bay Hill in Orlando, Florida. Gameplay mode is tour. Wind is 2 to 4. Oh, that was good timing for a change. I looked up this when the thing clicky-flickied. Or maybe it clicky-flickied before I looked up. Anyways, I caught it that time is what I'm trying to say. All right, and holes. Number 1, par 4. Hole number 8, par 4. Hole number 11, par 4. And hole 12, par 5. It's a par 17 today. Yeepaw! Okay, well, let's get her ripping. Let's get her ripping. Let's get her ripping. Shout out to the sponsor of the Daily Fore, bestcoastdistillers.com. Go check them out. Use my promo code MADMAN at checkout. You'll save yourself some bucks. And that's one thing we can all use nowadays is saving some bucks. And what else? What else I got to say? I don't know. Go check out bestcoastdistillers.com. Use promo code MADMAN at checkout and save yourself some bucks. Actually, I haven't said, you should go check them out on Facebook and Instagram and stuff as well. Give them a like and a follow, that kind of jazz. Tell them Carl the Madman sent you. And promo code Madman. Okay. Oh, my shoulders are so sore today. Time to make a doctor's appointment. Pretty sure I have arthritis in my shoulders. I've been doing more research. First I thought it was like a rotator cuff thing, but I don't think so. I think it's arthritis. I think I'm getting older. Getting older. Getting arthritis. Heck it. Okay. Damn, that's good coffee. Let's play some golf. Let's see here. Oh, that was horrible. Oh, that's gonna work out good though. Horrible on the line on the circle-y thing over there. Over there. I always forget it's backwards. I'm looking at it up there, it's over there. But on the replay, it's over there. Finesse. A little bit of wind behind. A little bit of wind that way. Oh shit, too much power. Or not. Or not! I'm glad I'm so close. This is an ugly little putt. I'm such a nerd. I am such a nerd. Back to the dentist this week. This week I'm doing, I don't know, he said something about biting into wax or something. I'm not sure. Hopefully it tastes better than that crap last time though. That was nasty. Took some power off that on purpose. Just as I had planned. Finesse with a 9-iron. How about a pitching wedge? No. How about a 9-iron? Let's stick with the 9-iron. How about? I gotta turn that up a little too loud. Doesn't need to be that loud. Okay. Ah, shit, that's not enough power. That might be wet. That might be, oh no, it's gonna make it. It's gonna make it. Teeth. I'm wearing a hat that says teeth on it. I don't have any yet. Man, it's getting close though. It's like another month. One more month. I should get them, and I think February 17th, I think, is the big reveal. Then I gotta learn everything all over again. I gotta learn how to talk, I gotta learn how to eat. Birdie, birdie. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited. This has been the toughest. This has been the toughest thing I've ever gone through in my life. is going through this no teeth thing for, well, so I got them all yanked. 23 teeth yanked on September 23rd. And today is what? Today is January 18th or something? So September, October, November, December, January. It's in almost 4 months. It's going to be almost 5 months by the time I get them. I mean, it's nobody's fault but my own. I'm not looking for sympathy. I'm just stating, how challenging this has been. Could do a power shot, but I don't think it's necessary. They tend to go awry. Finesse with a 50. Wind at my back. Landed a little bit short. Wind pushed her more than I thought. This is going to be a tough birdie putt. Oh yeah, uphill. Oh, screaming by the hole. He gets it. This isn't even a gimme. I don't like this putt. Let's just power it through. Power it through the break for a par. I don't know if a par deserves a drum roll or not, but should have got the anvil instead. Not a very nice sounding anvil.
Dumbass.
Nerdy boy. Papa's a nerdy boy by ya. Yeah, you know that. You're a good kid. Stay there. Should we go for the power drive? I don't think so. You know what? I just don't think it's necessary. I don't think it's worthwhile to do the power drive. Not in that narrow little fairway out there. Extra control on the ball. Whoa, 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 whoa! Well, frost a cat's ass. Oh! Damn, it's too far past. Wish me luck. Good luck.
Dumbass.
That's it for today. For today's daily Fore, that is. -2. I can do better than that. And I will. I will do better than that today at some point. You just won't see it here. Oh, 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 oh. Ah. Time to go to work. Hopefully it's a pretty casual day because my shoulders are killing me today. Eesh. I'll stop whining about it now. You've probably heard me whining about it enough for one day. That's a pretty cool picture of the tree. Actually, I think it's a painting. Maybe it's a picture. I don't know. It's pretty cool. Either way. Hit the road, Jack. Don't come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't come back no more. Have a great day. Yay.